Hello, this is Remya. Welcome back to Remya's World. Today we are going to make two chutneys. One is green chutney, another one is yogurt chutney. 2 bunch of cilantro and 1 mango. Mine is slightly sweetened, so I am adding half piece of lime juice and couple of green chilies, depends upon your taste. I am adding all my ingredients to the blender. I am also adding half teaspoon of jeera and salt to the taste. Let's add the fresh lime juice. Let me grind the ingredients now. Look at this, our green chutney is ready. It's so yummy and very easy to make also. Now we are making yogurt green chutney. For this the ingredients are 1 cup of yogurt, salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Mix all the ingredients very well. This green chutney we already made it. Now adding green chutney to this yogurt mix. I added 4 teaspoons of green chutney to 1 cup of yogurt mix and then stir well to make it perfect smooth chutney. Our chutney is ready. It's delicious and very easy to make it. The 2 chutneys are ready. One is green chutney and other one is yogurt green chutney. I hope everyone liked these chutneys.